This summer is going to be the best summer ever. We're going to be getting in the best body weight shape possible with Bodyweight Beast 2.0. What's up everybody, Lucas here, Only Kinds Fitness. So I am excited to announce Bodyweight Beast 2.0 is being launched Monday, June 1st, 2020. So in this video, I'm going to give you a brief explanation of what you should expect in this program, as well as any equipment you might need, how this program differs from the first Bodyweight Beast. So let's get started. I'm going to try to keep this brief, okay? I don't want to just be talking forever, but at the same time, there is so much information in this program. Before I explain to you any differences in Bodyweight Beast 2.0 as compared to Bodyweight Beast 1.0, we'll call it, let me just explain to you briefly how this program works to push yourself so you become the best you can possibly be with your own body weight, get stronger, get fitter, more muscle, build size, build endurance, build strength, just overall better athlete, overall better, a beast. A huge addition to the Bodyweight Beast 2.0 program over the first Bodyweight Beast is the inclusion of goal reps and sets for not only just one type of person, but beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Before each workout day where you log down your best reps or time, there is a complete duplicate of that day, but in there is recommended beginner reps, recommended intermediate reps, and recommended advanced reps. So this helps in a few ways. First of all, some of you guys out there, based on previous feedback I received, it was like, hey man, I just need something to kind of tell me what to do so I can just do it, right? Okay, you don't like to just, judge yourself and gauge yourself. A lot of us like to, push ourselves to failure and be like, okay, I'm gonna beat myself next time. But there's there's other people who like to see what they need to do, and it just gets them in that mindset of, okay, that's something I need to do. Well, that's included in there, as well as logging what you actually achieve. There's space for both. It helps gauge your mindset, so you're like, okay, I need to achieve this if I'm going to shoot for those intermediate reps so I can hit that intermediate level of this workout day. This also helps in another way. When pushing to failure each and every set of an exercise, it might be tasking on your body, and you might notice that the first set you get a large number of reps, but then the second and third set almost feel like a complete waste because you pushed yourself way too hard on that first set. With the goal reps and sets, it helps you be able to space out that volume throughout those 3 sets. So you can see, okay, I need to shoot for this if I want to hit the intermediate range each and every set. And throughout the entire program, the recommended reps, the recommended time, what they do is they slowly increase, adding to your progressive overload, so you get better and better throughout the entire program. It's not the same workout each and every single day throughout the entire program. The workouts change up. The exercises change up, and that leads me to my next point. There are additional new exercises in this program that are not in the first Bodyweight Beast that help bridge the gap between those easier but still challenging exercises to more advanced calisthenics exercises. So it helps take and bridge that gap so you become better and better without struggling to jump from one to the other. Now, with all the new exercises and all the original exercises that are still in this Bodyweight Beast 2.0 program, there might be the question of, hey, how do I perform that exercise? Another addition to this program, at the very end of the program, if you scroll back to the, whatever we'll call it, the index, there is a complete library of exercises that includes pictures of how to perform each and every exercise, separated into upper body, core focused, and lower body focused exercises. A ton of information. So the program is approximately 12 weeks long. The program, total pages included in the program, approximately 135 pages, a ton of information. Within those 12 weeks, there are only 42 workout days. That's because, once again, just like the 1-month plan, we're gonna be taking rest days here and there, right? Don't neglect your rest days. You need to rest, recover, sleep, eat right to make optimal progress. Workout calendars each week showing you the progress you're making week to week. New instructor notes, tons of additional information. There's a whole how to use this thing. If I'm not explaining to you this good enough in this video or maybe in future videos, there's a whole how to use at the beginning of the program, brand new in this Bodyweight Beast 2.0. A ton of new stuff, a ton of new information. I'm so excited to release this. A ton of work has gone into this. As of right now, what you will receive is the digital download copy, okay? So you will receive a PDF digital download sent to your email, the email that you provide when you check out, okay? So when you check out, be sure you use an email that you're gonna check, all right? Because you're gonna receive the digital download to that email. You will receive a digital download within 12 hours or so from lucas@onlykinds.com. It'll have your digital download link. It'll have additional information, additional bonus videos that only you guys who purchase the program will be able to see. Those bonus videos will be the additional stretching videos for phase 2 and phase 3 of this program. So you will receive all of that to your email when you check out if you purchase Bodyweight Beast 2.0. At bare minimum, yeah, you don't need to print out the program. You could literally just look at the goal reps, try to hit those for either a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, whatever you feel like you are, or just see where you're at. Now, you could step that up a notch, and what you could do is you could keep track of your reps, maybe in like a separate journal or like a little notepad or on your phone in like, you know, the numbers app or something like that. Now, what I would recommend doing and how I just absolutely think it's just the best, still the best, even with all this technology, is printing out the program, all right? Printing out the program and doing it old school, keeping track with a pen or a pencil inside of the program so you can flip through it and you can see, okay, right there, written in Sanskrit, written in stone. With that being said, this program is 135 pages long. So what I recommend doing, if you do print it out and you print it out 1 page per sheet, I would recommend printing it out double-sided. Now what I have right here is a printout. It's only a black and white printout. This program does come in color and it's a lot prettier if you print it out in color, but my printer is a black and white laser printer. So I printed out, this is only phase 1 of the program, double-sided, okay? So if you print it out double-sided as so, and you only print out 1 phase at a time, it'll be about that thick. So if I printed out the whole program, it would be about 3 times as thick. Now, if you can figure out how to do the double-sided half sheet, as I have here, check this out, guys. This is the entire program right here. Yeah, it's not stapled or bound together at all. This is actually a rough draft copy, but I want to show you the thickness of that program when it's filled out completely. If you can figure out how to print it on the half sheet double-sided so that it's in order, probably the coolest way to print this out. However, absolutely, I'm certain most of you guys will print it out full sheet like this. This works absolutely great. If you do this, honestly, it's probably easiest just to print out 1 phase at a time, double-sided. When you complete the phase, print out the next phase, just so it staples together better. You know, it'll be probably hard to staple all that information. All right, let's get to the equipment required to fully optimize this program. So if you're going to participate in this program, I highly recommend investing in a pull-up bar. You guys saw me make this hack video where I made this pull-up bar on my other channel. I don't know if you guys saw that. Maybe I'll leave a link to that in the description. But I created this pull-up bar. This will do just fine for this entire program. Pull-up bar is honestly the main recommended thing for doing this program because everything else you can do on the ground or just with your body weight up against a wall. Yeah, so I guess if you're waiting for the pull-up bar to come, you can use the door in the meantime, all right, like the door pull-ups. Just slide a magazine or something under that the door spacing so that you don't kind of bring the door down. Does that make sense? But just say you can't even do 1 pull-up. I would definitely recommend investing in a resistance band. You just throw the resistance band over like this. I would loop it through itself like this. What you can do is you can put 1 foot in there, and this honestly just makes pull-ups a little bit easier, okay? You see that? What that's gonna do is it's gonna allow you to go through the range of motion for the pull-ups a little bit easier, but still work those muscles used in the pull-up. And then over time, you will get stronger, you will get better, and maybe you'll be able to do pull-ups on your own. Maybe you can go through phase 1 twice, or just you can continue through the whole program and use assisted reps. So if you're someone who feels like you can't even do a pull-up, you know what? It's really gonna help you out if you invest in a resistance band along with your pull-up bar. If you can't do one, no sweat. You're starting now, you're starting this summer. Just grab yourself one of these. It's gonna help you progress, man. You could be beating me by the end of the summer. I'm not even kidding, man. Beginner gains. Whew. Oh, if you're super advanced and you're just like, man, I'm just knocking out reps, it tells you in this program you can add weight. So you can add weight to any of these exercises if you wish. Now, probably the best way to do add weight for body weight training is like a weight vest. So Me personally, I'm not using the resistance band, and I'm not going to be using a weight vest for the most part doing this program. Maybe if I want to make a funny video like later in like July or something, July 4th, maybe I'll throw on the plate carrier and be like, all right, let's get to work. But I know for a fact that personally me, if I am going to use best form, controlled movements, that these exercises are going to be super effective without any added resistance, or because I can do pull-ups, I don't need to use the resistance band. With that being said, most important piece of equipment, the pull-up bar, that's just most crucial. But other than that, really what you might need is like a chair. So a chair or like a little bench like I have right here for just elevating like your lower body and some of the exercises, as well as doing a chair or bench dips. So a chair or a bench will work great for that, but most people already have that. So you can literally get away with just the pull-up bar and the chair or bench, which you probably should already have. But if you do want to invest in another piece of equipment just to round everything out, probably the most helpful thing would be a dip bar setup. I personally, right now, am not going to be using a dip bar setup unless maybe, hey, I buy one by phase 2 or something later in the summer. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do that, make a review video on it. But I got away with the first program without a dip bar setup. For just regular dips that come in phase 2 and phase 3, I use the 2-chair setup, which I found to work very well for me. You can make it very sturdy as long as you do it right. So I guess two chairs instead of just one chair. But if you do want to invest in a dip bar setup, it can make a lot of these exercises, I don't want to say easier because they should still be challenging, but it can just help you execute a lot of these exercises. It's just nice, you know what I mean, to have that dip, it's just nice. Just like, look, this is my setup, got my pull-up bar and my dip bars. But you can do this whole entire program without the dip bar setup. That's what I'm trying to say. And finally, one more thing that's you can probably just find around the house is something like some kind of a like TRX rope, okay, or TRX setup. You don't need the official TRX setup. Something you can wrap around your pull-up bar that's not really elastic like this, so you can do your decline pull-ups on. Now, if you don't have anything you can throw around your pull-up bar so you can do decline pull-ups, you can choose to use like a table like we did in the 1-month plan, or replace it with some kind of a 1-month plan exercise for decline pull-ups. Now, if you get the dip bar setup, those are usually low enough to the ground where you can just do decline pull-ups on those. But for me, because I don't have the dip bar setup, I threw a jump rope around this, a sturdy jump rope, and I was able to do my decline pull-ups, hitting all the muscle groups that you'd want the decline pull-ups to hit. Once again, decline pull-ups are not every day. It's just like, a few days here and there. Everything kind of bridges together. The exercises change up. The program evolves throughout the entire 12 weeks, throughout each and every phase. So it's just always like just changing, and you're getting better and better throughout the entire program, getting into more advanced movements. Like I said, new exercises to bridge the gap between those easier movements that should still be challenging and still challenge your muscles and still challenge your body and your mind, and that mind-muscle connection, to more intermediate to more advanced level calisthenics movements at the end of the program. This summer is the summer. We're going to make the most insane progress. I'm so excited to get started. 12 weeks long, okay, so dial in and focus, man. Dial in and focus. So I'm going to be working on getting hard copies into production, but right now it's going to be digital downloads only, and it works just as good. The hard copies will be more expensive. Probably the exact same price as the hard copies for the original one that was like $69.95 plus shipping and handling. So if you're not looking to bust a buck out, then just do the digital download. It's only $29.95. If you do purchase the digital download and you want to upgrade to the hard copy later, you will be given a coupon code for $29.95 off. Okay, it'll be sent in that email when you purchase Bodyweight Beast 2.0 digital download. So put the email that you're going to use in there. Be waiting for an email from Lucas at onlykinds.com. You should receive that within 12 hours of your purchase, and you're going to be receiving that directly from me, okay? No automated system right now, no automated system. I know an automated system might be, faster, but I want to send them out myself, okay? So just forgive me. Just think of it like you're getting mail from me. So I hope you either appreciate that, or you could just be patient with me while I send it to you. Most of the time it doesn't even take a few hours and I get it up. Okay, but check your spam folder too, because there's been a few times that there's been some issues with that. Lucas at onlykinds.com, that's where you should receive the email from. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys are super excited. If you're looking for just like a 1-month program to get back into shape, maybe before you want to participate in Bodyweight Beast 2.0, check out the 1-month plan. There's really no equipment required for that program. I got done doing that throughout the month of March. That was a great program, put on a ton of agility, a ton of speed. I feel like I just got into way better shape, better cardiovascular shape. I put on more muscle, I got leaner. It was a great program. Check out the 1 month plan. That's also on onlykindsfitness.com. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. Monday, June 1st, Bodyweight Beast 2.0 comes out. Hope you guys all have a great day. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.